Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create a log drum patch on Logic Pro X. Unlike my previous video that I uploaded on how to create Amapiano sound on Logic Pro X, this is going to be a bit different because I sampled out the log drum on FL Studio and I exported it down to Logic Pro X and create a patch on Quick Sampler. Now you don't need to get FL Studio for you to be able to get a perfect sounding log drum sound. In this tutorial video, you'll find out how to make a perfect sounding log drum sound. Check the description below. I'm going to put a link where you can download the patch and everything. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you. Let's get into this. So firstly, what we're going to do is to create a software instrument. Then go to the instrument, then you look for Quick Sampler. You can make it stereo. I've saved the patch on the Quick Sampler, which is here, log drum. So let's just check how it sounds. If you can compare the log drum on FL Studio to how this is sounding, I think it's similar to how it sounds on FL Studio. And you can as well filter it. You can change the sound. You can tweak to your taste and add volume and all that. A lot of things you can do. You can play around with this. A lot of things you can do with this. You can go record. So that's it. Like, it's just so perfect and sounds so great. This is another bonus for everyone that is looking for a perfect sounding log drum sound on Logic Pro. So you can check on the description below where you can download the patch and install it and load it on your Quick Sampler. Thank you very much. Bye.